We're doing quick product demonstrations, and here we're going to start with the LT-1000. The LT-1000 is the heart of all of Leaktronics equipment, whether for plumber's kits, the flash pipe leak locating system, the complete pro kits. It runs hydrophones and microphones for the swimming pool guys. It runs plumber's deck plates. It runs plumber's soil probes. It runs most of everything that Leaktronics manufactures. We manufacture this all in-house. Everything is made from printed circuit board to design to box build, the whole entire product right here in our Southern California location. Let's start with the specifics of the LT-1000. The LT-1000 is powered by two AA batteries. It will be good for about 15 to 20 uses as long as it's shut off after each use. It has an XLR balanced input and a headphone jack in the back. On the front, on all the switches, we have sensitivity, power, filtration, and a mute button, which is important because it's good to mute the product when you're walking between locations. So, it also has a meter null, and I'll explain that in a second, and the volume control. It has two hookups for our strap that comes with the kit, so it could strap to you and you could be hands-free while you're working with it. The sensitivity and meter null are all about the metering technology, meaning when the sensitivity switch is on or in the up position, the meter null acts as a buffer or magnification, if you will, for the actual meter that you're looking at. So if the sensitivity is on and the meter null is all the way turned to the left, it's going to give you less sensitivity on the actual meter. It has nothing to do with sound whatsoever. This is just to control the meter. If it's turned all the way up, it's going to magnify that meter, so any little bit of sound is going to almost move all the way up to the 100 mark. So again, sensitivity and meter null have only to do with the metering technology and absolutely nothing to do with the sound. Power up button will fire up the amp, the LED will light, letting the user know that everything is up and running. If you watch real quick, when the power button goes on, it's going to light up and it's going to do a self-check. So the meter went up to 100 and it backed down. From that point on, you could plug in your headphones and you could plug whatever accessory you want into the XLR, whether you're using a pool scope for pools, whether you're using a pipe probe for plumbing, whether you use a deck plate for plumbing. It doesn't make a difference. So again, this is going to run all of those accessories. The filtration mode in the up position will allow you to back out a lot of background noise. When you turn on the mute button, it's going to kill all sound, and we recommend doing that when you're traveling between locations or moving the deck plate, moving the soil probe, pool scope, pipe mic, whatever you're using. The volume is just that. It's sensitivity and volume control, and it allows you to get to areas and hear what you need to hear. If your hearing's real sensitive, go on lower volumes. If you need to turn it up, just do so. Proper maintenance of the LT-1000 is to basically wipe it down when you're done. Once a year, you might want to take a WD-40 and a slight rag. Just wipe down near the headphone, near the input. You can wipe the whole thing down once, twice a year. If water ever splashes on the LT-1000, just get a nice dry rag and wipe it off. You definitely do not want to submerge this, but if you do, contact us and we'll tell you what to do.